Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX. Patience is a virtue. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got $60 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $139 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. And folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including our favorite Stellar. So do check it out. I personally recommend storing assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check it out. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of SHX at the time of the recording, guys. So this is SHX. The price is down 4.84%. If you look at the daily chart, guys, it went as high as 0.007694, as low as almost 0.007332, and it is basically trying to test this daily support, and I think it might break this because if you look at the last 7-day chart, guys, the price is down 13.99%, and it has broken this crucial support area over here, the 0.007355 mark. So the price is already falling down, and let's see where is the next support. I think the price will go to the 0.006898. Let's hope that the monthly price, the support level is intact, and the price remains steadfast. But guys, if it isn't, it might go to 0.005 areas, 0.0055 areas. Let's see how it goes. So regardless, guys, the short-term price action I know is important, but for me, fundamentals of a project is much more important for the long haul, and SHX has a lot of things going for it. So if it basically comes down and tests this area, the 0.0058 mark, we're going to this area, guys, the 0.0051, 0.005 area. So yeah, this is a really crucial support over here, but I think the price might even sustain these areas, the 0.007, 0.0068 area. So let's see, guys. Overall, it is, if the price goes up, guys, profit taking obviously happens, and the price is bound to breathe. It is the correction is real, it is natural, and it is needed for new investors to basically enter the market. People do not realize that without these corrections, the price cannot move further, because if everyone is holding over here huge amounts, people won't buy over here. There are a lot of people who do not buy in pumps. When they see a correction and the price is down, they see an entry, the traders and others as well, which eventually, slowly and gradually, the price picks itself back up. So we need patience for that, basically, guys. So if you look at the all-time chart, we're still down since all-time highs, and the market cap, guys, $41.92 million is nothing for what SHX has the potential to provide, guys, in the long haul. Let me share with you this post over here. So yeah, this is from Thingol. I really like his work. You have to give him a follow as well if you want to see the alpha and news on SHX and VELO specifically. So check this out, guys. Patience is a virtue. This is a research from Mr. Thingol. So check this out. He has basically explored Mr. Arthur Steinmetz. So basically, he is a private investor from what I understand, guys. So Art is the retired chairman, CEO, and president of Oppenheimer Funds. After joining the firm in 1986, Art was an analyst, portfolio manager, and chief investment officer. Art was named president in 2013. So check this out, the name: BlackRock, Columbia Business School. Just a moment. So yeah, experience: private investor, self-employed, June 2019. Present 4 years, 11 months. Selected early stage investments, Market Reader, Financial Advisor Solutions, Typhon, Financial Advisor Solutions. Check this out, guys. Stronghold payment processing. So a private investor that knows where to put his money basically, and to know where to which project to support. As being associated with Stronghold, this is huge in my opinion. Launchpoint Electric Propulsion Solutions, Air Mobility. So check this out, guys. Member Board of Trustees, Fixed Income Funds, BlackRock. So check this out, guys. From September 2023 to present in New York, United States, guys. This is awesome in my opinion, guys. There are a lot of hidden news and messages in the SHX world, guys. The SHX realm is huge. He may have done excited already because someone showed a 21.50 spike in INX back in 2021, LOL, perhaps, but his profile appears to be up to date and he posts regularly on there. So basically he still has it on. He still has Stronghold on. Read till the end. What is this? Stronghold launches 100 million investment fund, expanding founder representation and access in fintech innovation. Have read it many times before. Was there anything specifically that crossed your mind? I am sure that you read this. Just added as a source that AS invested among others into the Stronghold fund. Okay, so this is cool. Let me bookmark this as well. We might make a video on this in the next Stronghold video. Hell of a good find. It indeed is, guys. Thingol's work is really commendable. That's an absolute bomb. Love your work, Thingol. Now we just need a US exchange to list it. This is awesome. Whoa, nice find. Let's look into the Stronghold X handle. Is there something new? This is 17 hours ago. More insights into why San Francisco is the epicenter of tech. Did you know in 2008, San Francisco was one of the first cities to offer free Wi-Fi in select public areas, setting a precedent for urban digital connectivity. Sounds cool. Curious why bank transactions took ages to modernize? Explore the untold story of ACH payments with us and watch the full video here. So let us look into this.
Originally, the network operated on a batch processing system where transactions could take anywhere from 1 to 5 business days to clear and settle. This delay was partly because the transactions were only submitted a few times a day during business hours, and the banks involved would then need additional time to verify and process each transaction. So why did it take so long to modernize? The answer lies in the network's vast and intricate ecosystem. Upgrading such a foundational system without disrupting millions of daily transactions was no easy task, and it wasn't going to be cheap. It required coordinated efforts across the entire banking sector, significant investments in technology, and regulatory changes. Originally, the network operated.
This is great, guys. The SHX wants to basically transform finance and payment industry for the better. What do we have here from the community? SHX 1 cent, then 6 cents, then 17 cents, according to this technical analyst, guys. This is why I say that patience is a virtue, like Thingol has said over here as well in our last post, that patience indeed is a virtue.
We're currently at 008, and now we are back above the 0.5 at 007, and it looks like the price to beat is pretty much the 009 here. So 009 up to a penny, and then a penny and a half here. But I think once we break through a penny here, break these candle highs here, that's when we know this thing's going to start flying here. So it's holding the uptrend, bouncing off the smaller 618 there, and overall it looks good here to grind higher. And like I said, just watch those levels there. Once we make our way up to get over 009, about an 18% move, and then to a penny here is about a 48% move. And then once we get up here to the 2618 at a penny and a half, that is almost a 100% move. Once we break through that and establish that as support, that's when you're probably going to have a huge green candle spawn in here. And the next stop would be the 3618 up here at 67 on Stronghold here. So going from today off of the uptrend, off of those support levels, looking at about a 700% move, so not bad here. And then of course we've been pointing out we have the high here, the top, the 4236 at about 17 pennies is going to give you from today, if it's going to hit that target, of course, about a 20x on Stronghold here, up to that 16 to 17 cent price mark there. So what are your thoughts on Stronghold? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching.
Guys, the fundamentals of Stronghold are there, the technicals are there, but obviously not financial advice. Anything can happen. But what do you guys think? Will patience pay off in case of Stronghold or not? I would like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.